Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download OSO. First of all, please go ahead and open any browser that you are using in your PC or have in your PC. For me, I'm using the Google Chrome. If you have any kind of other browsers, it will still work for you. Now let's get ahead and click on Google and then open OSO. And then after doing so, click on this first website, oso.ppy.sh, and then this page will open for you. Then after doing so, click on download now from here, and then if you are Windows, click on this blue button, but if you have Mac OS, click on this button over here. For me, I'm using Windows, so I'm clicking on this button. As you can see, it has been downloaded. It's very fast, doesn't take even a second to do so. After that, it will start installing on your PC, so we will wait a couple seconds, and you can change the location by clicking wherever you want. Now, as you can see, it's really fast at installing. The game hasn't even take like 2 minutes to be installed. Now it's at the 94%. Let's wait a little bit and it will be at 100%. Now, as you can see, for those who doesn't have an account and wondering how to create an account on the website, as you can see from here, if you click in this icon, there's only sign in, but for creating an account you have to download the game. So to create an account you have to wait until this window achieve 100%, and then you open the game, and then after opening the game you will be able to create your own account inside the game. So for making the video short, I will skip this part of downloading. See you guys after it will be finished. Okay guys, now it has been downloaded, and after it will be downloaded, it will open directly. As you can see, it opens without even I did anything. Now you can click on username and password to put your username and password and sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on this icon in here, or this button here, and here fill your private information from username, email address and password, and then you must click on create my account, and you will receive an email on your Gmail account or wherever, and then you will activate your account and then come here and sign in again, and it will work for you. So that was the tutorial for today guys. Thanks for watching.